Guten Tag. In dieser Folge von Trotro, Trotros Bett, hat Trotro ein bisschen Angst davor, schlafen zu gehen. Trotro's a little afraid to go to sleep. At the start of the show, his father is finishing up a bedtime story and tells him it's time to sleep. The exact words he uses is "Jetzt wird brav geschlafen." This is kind of an interesting construction in German. We don't do this in English too much. It's more of a passive construction that just means literally, now will be slept. But that's just how Germans say now it's time to sleep. Jetzt wird geschlafen. And he begs his father to stay with him a little longer. Bleib noch ein bisschen bei mir. Because he's afraid to be alone. You'll hear him say allein a couple of times. After his father's gone, he snuggles down into his blankets with Teddy and says, Ich habe ein bisschen Angst. Ein bisschen means a little, and ich habe Angst is how you say I'm afraid. Literally it's I have fear, but that's how Germans say I am afraid. Ich habe ein bisschen Angst. So he crawls out of bed, goes into his parents' room and snuggles down in between him, where he finds it very comfortable. Mama hat ganz warme Füße, he says. Mama has very warm feet. And Papa schnarcht die ganze Zeit. Papa snores the whole time. Hier ist es richtig gemütlich. That's how you say that it's very comfortable. Es ist richtig gemütlich. It's very comfortable here. But his parents wake up and they don't have any room because Trotro's there in their bed between them. So they say, Wir haben gar keinen Platz mehr. That little word gar, you hear a lot in German. It basically means at all. We have no room at all. Wir haben gar keinen Platz mehr. So können wir nicht schlafen. We can't sleep like this. So father carries Trotro back to bed, and of course, as soon as he wakes up, he comes right back into his parents' room. Well, his parents have kind of a unique solution to this, and I will let you discover that for yourself in the episode. Vielen Dank und guten Abend.